Very heavy. Thank you, Mr. and Miss Congeniality. Thank you, Engineer June Peña and Professor Marilyn Miranda. And according to our official tabulator, the untiring Engineer Elisa Eliazar, we are now ready to announce Best in Teamwear. To be presented by Engineer Homer Velarde, accompanied by one of our laboratory assistants, Ms. Thelma Seren. Yung mga nag-organ, tapos na ng organic, kilala na si Ate Thelma. Hintayin lang natin silang dalawa umakyat on stage. And as always, we will all announce the male candidate who best displays the Pirates theme for tonight. Best in Teamwear for the men, candidate number 21, J.R. Tan. Okay. Best in Teamwear female candidate. From one end to the other, candidate number 1, Arwen Lindsay. Sir, tama ba yun, sir?